I'm Mondis Vakili, and I am a second-year law student, 2023 JD candidate here at McGeorge School of Law. My hometown, I actually was raised out here in Sacramento and lived in Southern California for about 10 years and just came back for law school. So my last name Vakili means lawyer, so I grew up being told I was always going to be a lawyer, and I was a rebel kid. I was like, absolutely not. I am an artist first and foremost. I grew up in the theater, and I was a performer from the age of 5 years old all the way up until law school. So I realized that there was inadequacies and people not really protecting this world that really needed to be protected. So I decided to step up to the plate and take charge of that, and that's why I came to law school. So I actually held off law school for a very, very long period of time. I was in a Broadway theater for a while, and I came back here and I was like, okay, you know, it's time to go. And McGeorge just was the one who seemed to connect with me the most, and that's why I felt it. Sometimes it's a gut instinct, you just go with your gut. Yes, so I am president of MESA, which is the Middle Eastern and South Asian Association, and I am also the president of the McGeorge Women's Caucus here at McGeorge School of Law. I am also intertwined with the mock trial and moot court team here, so kind of dipping my toes wherever I can. MESA is essentially the Middle Eastern and South Asian Association. What we do is we bring awareness to our cultures, to our backgrounds, to our life. As Middle Eastern and South Asian future lawyers, and being a population that is not really well represented within the law, we kind of come and show our culture, to show you know, who we are as individuals and as a community and group of people, but also equally how we can change with our voices, what we can incorporate into this legal profession, what we can incorporate to the fabric of the rest of the world, and sometimes just like really just showing that we're here and that we're here to be present. We do not only cultural events, we work to find ways to network with students, to have the people of color who need that opportunity to network within the legal profession. We tell stories, we kind of bring down any stigmas that may be within our cultures, and really just come out loud and proud, and that's why we're here. McGeorge Women's Caucus is essentially an organization that's fairly new here at McGeorge. It's a body of not only women, the men included as well, but it's an organization to create a safe space and an opportunity for women here at the law school and around the community to kind of come together and have access to be able to network and to be able to find ways to find a safe space in a place that can sometimes be far too intimidating. Women are incredible, and if you don't know that by now, I don't know what is you know, where have you been? Women are I think the foundation to anything, and if you disregard women, or you're able to look away from women, or you don't think that women are the same counterpart as men, then you are completely wrong. Women can do everything and do it backwards in heels. I think Fred Astaire said something like that. So if men can do it, women can do it too. Yes, McGeorge is definitely the small, tight-knit community that you're looking for. If you're a law student looking for that, able to grow and be nurtured and to find a family, essentially, a place where you feel like you fit and you belong, come to McGeorge. So initially what I hope to do when I become a lawyer is to go into the world of entertainment law. That was my initial hope, was to protect artists and art creators and be kind of their main person and their protector. Now that's still the case, but I am adding this trial lawyer side of me, currently working with the public defender's office, working as a criminal defense attorney, so very exciting. So kind of a little duality between the two worlds. I think that everybody should know that if you really want to make a change and you really have the dream, you have the vision, you plant the seed, there's nothing stopping you from getting to where you want to be.